Bill Oxidean here. I'm at the Sausilito boat show. I've never been to this show before. Let's check it out and see what's up. Okay, now this is the definition of rad. Carbon fiber. Oh my goodness.
You have fun?
Dude, look at this thing. Oh my God. Chris Craft, what year did you say this was?
It was a 23.
A 23? Oh, it's a 23.
Yeah. I ripped this thing back from the Redwood City Boat Show.
Oh,
On city front at 8 in the morning, 60 miles an hour with the open header exhaust.
really?
And I was just like, I felt like I was James Bond, man.
That's you were.
This is the way to commute.
Man, you look good in that boat.
Thanks, my man. Open bow.
Open bow, sleek. But it's a 27 with a really nice hole, so you do stay dry in this thing, you know?
Yeah.
This thing's pretty.
This thing ain't spraying up on everybody.
Yeah, this thing's badass.
Woohoo! This is nice and deep.
Right? Like you're locked in, you sit in there, you're like at shoulder height, you're tucked in there.
Yeah. This is rad. This helm looks unreal.
Check it out. We've got the spinner on it too. So the
What?
craft's always gonna stay no matter where you turn the wheel.
See, that's genuine craftsmanship right there. That's how you know it's a Chris Craft.
Yeah.
What's with the high chair though?
You can just, whatever you want.
Mind if I slide in?
Yeah, man, make it
Whoa! Oh yeah.
tucked up little head in there if the ladies really need it.
Oh yeah. She can't turn it down. You got a bathroom on the boat? I wouldn't say a bathroom, but she can make it happen. Yeah, a little head on there.
You got a lady?
I don't.
One. Plural.
You can kind of say that. Lucky he's about to fire it up for us.
Hey Shane, is that drive all the way down?
Hear that Volvo grumbling. Oh, now he hit the pipes. You can really hear the Volvo Pinto grumbling. Dude, I thought it was this.
Regardless if it's 30 or 50 amps, that would be more like an overnight charge. So you would use the boat during
This is
the
the
day.
charger?
You can plug it in at your dock.
So where do they,
30 or 50. Obviously the 50 is going to be slightly faster than the 30. So if you're overnight, it's not bad. This is a DC system.
All right, now we got the Cantus Euphoria. I'm getting euphoria just stepping onto this thing. Whoa. Look at the gloss on that table. What a nice touch with the flowers. You know I like that. Whoa. Our delightful host invited us aboard. Wow, look at these glass doors. Wow, now this is elegance. Look at this helm. Oh, come on, this is 100% luxury. This is an afternoon. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is nicer than my bedroom at home. Full on bathroom. With a shower, full shower. Yeah, this is rad. Look at the helm on this thing, the Nautical Commander. Now I love display models like this. I would love to find one of these and make it RC. We just looked great together today, so we decided to take a quick little video.
Yeah.
Wow. This is what you call first class.
It's a fun boat. Trust me, my wife picked it.
Oh, nice.
My wife is Greek, and that's why we call it Greek Princess. It's 2 years old, but it's the current model.
Oh, really?
If you were to buy a 45, this is what you get.
Nice. This is...
Rob was our broker and helped us buy it.
Are we live?
No, not live, but... All right. What a vessel. What a fine vessel. Oh my gosh, yeah, this thing is all pleasure. Look at this helm. Wow. This thing's amazing. I love this mirror. It makes it look a lot more continuous. Now that was a really fun excursion. Make sure next year not to miss it. Sausilito Boat Show. Subscribe to our channel. Like this video if you like seeing videos like this.